Hey everyone, welcome back to Dry Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the differences between Slip Solution and Tack Solution. So let's get into it. All right, so the first one I'm going to talk about today is Slip Solution. So what is Slip Solution? Slip Solution is, most of the time, it is usually some kind of like soap agent. I always use Johnson's baby shampoo. I know that there are paint protection film slip soaps out on the market. I personally have never tried them. I've always just been a Johnson's baby shampoo fan for my Slip Solution. But Slip Solution is basically the solution that is used to glide the paint protection film around on the vehicle before locking it in place with the Tack Solution. So when you're doing a paint protection film installation, you're gonna need lots and lots of Slip Solution to spray down number one, you're gonna spray down the whole panel of the vehicle that you're working on. And then number two, you're gonna wanna lift up the film and you're gonna wanna soak the adhesive of the paint protection film so you can glide that film around. If you don't have enough Slip Solution in your installation, the film is gonna tack prematurely and oftentimes in the wrong spot. And if you stretch and it's already tacked in some spots, you could end up with all kinds of silvering and adhesive stretch marks and that type of thing. Now, Tack Solution. Tack Solution is exactly that. It is a solution that is designed to be used strictly on the edges where you need to actually tack the paint protection film. So, for example, if you're doing a fender, I always start my fender installations at the back of the fender right by the front door. I would line it up with my Slip Solution, and then when I know it's perfectly lined up, I'll peel the corner back, I'll spray some Tack Solution behind the film, lay the film back down, and then I'll squeegee it into place, and that's gonna lock the film in place. Slip Solution, you're gonna use it on the whole panel, you're gonna use it on all the adhesive underneath the paint protection film, whereas Tack Solution, you're not gonna use it everywhere, you're only gonna use it in certain spots. Alignment points, reference points, that type of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to go over the differences between Slip Solution and Tack Solution. I have done a previous video on this, and I'll link that in the video description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a comment down below with your thoughts and opinions. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.